Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This session focuses on critical comments on neurolinguistic programming. I hope and expect by the end of this session, you would have an understanding of the nature of the criticism that has been made on NLP. Well, my dear students, one of the major criticisms that is raised against NLP is that it is not a language teaching method. It is criticized that it does not consist of a set of techniques for teaching a language based on theories and assumptions at the level of an approach and a design. If you know something about the background or the theory behind NLP or the theoretical underpinnings of NLP, I hope you would be able to understand that basically the purpose of designing NLP was to enable people to communicate in a better way or to improve their personalities so that they could achieve the best or they could achieve what they wanted to achieve. So this major focus of NLP itself then becomes a criticism when it comes to its application to language teaching. It is criticized that it is a humanistic philosophy and a set of beliefs and suggestions that are based on popular psychology. And it is designed to convince people that they have the power to control themselves, their own selves, and other people's lives for the better. And practical prescriptions on how to do so. It gives suggestions or it prescribes how people can improve their own behavior, their own attitude, including the linguistic behavior, of course, and how they can perform better in the world. NLP practitioners believe that if language teachers adopt and use the principles of NLP, they will become more effective teachers. So this is a kind of counter argument that the practitioners of NLP give. Workshops on NLP are hence typically short on theory and research to justify its claims and strong on creating positive expectations, bonding, and enthusiasm. Revel and Norman 1997 have made certain claims. According to them, NLP assumptions need not to be accepted as the absolute truth, but acting as if they were true can make a world of difference in your life and in your teaching. Even if whether they are true or not is another question, but believing in them as being true makes a huge difference in the life of a teacher and in the life of a learner. This is the claim that is made by Revel and Norman. Appeal of NLP stems from a set of humanistic principles that provide a new justification for well-known techniques from the communication or humanistic repertoire, or a different interpretation of the role of the teacher and the learner, one that is in harmony with many learner-centered or person-centered views. So overall, NLP has no sound theoretical backgrounds when it comes to its application to linguistics or when it comes to its applications to L2 teaching in a classroom. However, it is believed by and it is propagated by the proponents of NLP that if a teacher and if a learner believes in the basic tenets of NLP, this helps them improve and this helps them achieve whatsoever they want to achieve, both in terms of linguistic behavior and in terms of whatsoever they want to be or to have in the world.